Good evening, everyone. Welcome back again in another weekly market outlook. I hope you are good. You are enjoying your weekend and are getting ready for the next week. So, first of all, website. If anyone want to join us for group membership or looking for one-on-one training, just simply head to the tech tradingacademy.com and check the levels. All right. So register, check the levels, and if you are happy with the group training, you can go ahead with the group training. All right, group training. Within that group training, you're gonna have access to, yeah, that's one-time payment, lifetime membership, or unlimited membership. Get access to our training stuff, private members forum, and daily trade setups. All right, so private members forum is our Slack group where we are, only paid members have access to the to that group. And I'm having, a lot of requests that people are asking me to add to that Slack group, but that's not for the followers. Yeah, you have to join that by paying. Yeah, so that's for paid members. Then you're gonna have the access to the setups or opportunities which I share with my members. So you can join us by going through the techtradingacademy.com. And if you are looking for one-on-one training, yeah, so for that you have to send me, you know you have to fill that form, send it to me for further information, or you have to adjust a slot before going for one-on-one training. All right, so fill that form, send it to me if you're looking for one-on-one training. Then we can discuss the best suitable time, and then we can go ahead. Okay, now let's move on to the social sites so that you can follow me on social sites. Okay, simply go to the trading view profile and check the ideas or setups. Just click on that and check the signature box. In this signature box, you're gonna see all links are there. All right, for training course, visit website, and YouTube and Twitter, Facebook, paid members group or Slack group, and Telegram. So you can follow me on Telegram for for updates or for ideas. All right, so as I said, normally I post setups later on. Yeah, because first of all I post the setups for my paid members and then I post to the Telegram. Yeah, so for Telegram you're gonna have, normally you're gonna see setups like that. All right, I don't give signals on the Telegram like buy on this price and put stop there and your target is there. Yeah, so I don't do that kind of stuff on the Telegram or on the trading view. Yeah, but I do that for my members only in my paid group. Yeah, so normally when you're gonna see these kind of charts, you're gonna see, outdated, or once price gonna move away from our entries or targets, or once price gonna hit the target or entries. Yeah, but yes, you can follow me on Telegram for setups like that. Right, where I see the possible direction of the market. All right, or the way I post on the trading view. All right, or for weekly market outlooks links. So let's go to the weekly market outlook, and let's look at the setups for upcoming week. All right, and potential opportunities for the next week. So dollar index, as we know that the dollar index still running within within the same pattern, the pattern which we are having since last couple of weeks. All right, so people talk about that. I'm still, you know, still bearish on the dollar index. Yeah, and this is not making sense for them. Prices pushing up. Why we are bearish on the dollar index? Yeah, so since last 331 days we are bearish on the dollar. Almost since last 331 days we are bearish on the dollar. Yeah, but people are buying the dollar. All right, they are buying the dollar, and we are also buying the dollar, all right, but we are not looking for longer term buy on the dollar, all right. We are looking for medium to short term buy only on the dollar, yeah. But our longer term forecast on the dollar is dollar to drop, right? And when dollar gonna drop, it will create very good opportunities across the market, all right. And we're gonna see big potential, or big waves, all right. So I'm just going to show you a chart just for an example, which is very much similar to this chart, all right, to the dollar index chart, just for your understanding, so that you guys can get an idea. Okay, this chart. All right, this chart, and there I posted that chart. Okay, so that was the structure, which is very much, I mean, similar to the dollar index, but dollar index is more, we can see that, more bearish than than this chart. That was much, aggressive as with compared to the dollar index. All right. So when you're gonna look at this chart, and when you're gonna go to the comment section, yeah, and just look at that. So what that guy was saying. All right. So because you have, I mean, I pee on your trading strategy because you have no stop loss system, and market often goes against you. All right. So just look at these comments and just go through these comments. All right. And do you think that these guy kind of people having knowledge about the market? They are not, all right? They don't know. Okay. And just look at that, what happened after that on this chart. Okay, price slightly went above. All right, so price slightly went above, and right after that it started to go lower. Okay, so it went above. That was because of the news. All right, and then after that, price was just keep pushing lower. Yeah, it started to drop from 1.12. Yeah, it started updates, even updates. You guys can see updates are there. Yeah, so exactly, price formed that correction, and it was just keep going lower, 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 and went up to, okay, so went up to almost 104. All right, so we were targeting at that time this bottom, that bottom, but price even went lower than that. Okay, currently it has visited from 103. That was the direction which we were looking for from there. Okay, and those kind of people, they don't have knowledge, and they just, I mean, they just keep trolling others without having knowledge and without having understanding of the market. Okay, so same again, we are bearish on the dollar index. We are looking for dollar index to go down. Our pattern and our structure, they are telling us that in longer term, price gonna go down. All right, as long as price gonna stay within this pattern, within this structure, we will stay bearish. All right, and this pattern and this structure are gonna change then when we're gonna see that the short move is going to come for more upside. Okay, if you have knowledge, if you understand that, then perfect. You can comment on my charts. You can even let us know that you are having knowledge. Yeah, and if I mean, if we will feel that that yes, your chart is making sense for us, yeah, obviously we can change our view. All right, if not, then definitely don't do that kind of stuff. I mean, where others going to feel that you don't have knowledge about that market. All right, so this strong aggressive move for upside will change this pattern. All right, will that pattern, and will change that structure. Then we will change our view on the dollar index. Yeah, But still, if we are still going to see that next move, all right, the move which I have just drawn over there, all right, still dollar index gonna go down. Okay, still price gonna go down. This is not the longer term direction of the dollar index. That's my point, all right? And I hope you guys understand that, all right? If you don't understand that, then make sure you comment on others' stuff, on others' chart before you understand something, all right? So I have just posted a chart on it. Let me quickly tell you, all right? So posted that a chart on the dollar index. Yeah, so why I'm making, I'm spending more time on it, on the dollar index. The reason is that when dollar index gonna go down, you're gonna see other pairs gonna move. All right, when other pairs gonna move, you're gonna see buy opportunities over there on those pairs. All right, so this chart, there is still possibility that this pair still can push up slowly for one more up move. Okay, this one more up move is not going to change this big, this structure or that pattern formations. All right, price is there within that pattern formation since 331 days. Yeah, and do you think that this single candle or couple of candles over there are going to change that 331 days data? All right, not easily, not easily. So this is what we are looking for. Okay, that was the chart. That was the trade we were looking for in our room. Yeah, we were looking for, even we were, looking for, last week I have shown you this to break down, if you remember. Okay, this correction to break down and continue to go lower. Yeah, it broke out. And we were looking for this to continue to go lower in our, daily meetings. It went down, then went down, and then went up just because of the ECB rate, the CNO, right? And then it formed another opportunity over there, and then price is going down. Yeah, it is still not aggressive to the downside, or you can say that the ideal move is not there. The ideal move we are looking for on the dollar index, when ideal move gonna be over there on the dollar index, it will be very aggressive, very sharp to the downside. All right, and price gonna continue to go lower very, very aggressively. Even you're not gonna see, these corrections over there like that. Okay, you're going to see sharp sell, you're going to see correction, sharp sell, and dollar index is going to keep going lower aggressively to the downside. So this is the next possible formation which we are expecting. All right, so I will go back to the chart and we'll show you over there. Okay, when dollar index gonna go down, you're gonna see euro dollar gonna go up. All right, you're gonna see dollar chief gonna go down up to 92, $90. Yeah, we are targeting the dollar chief for longer term 92, 90, 92, 90. Yeah, and they're gonna be a very good potential, very good move on the dollar chief. All right, dollar chief gonna go down, your euro dollar gonna go up, and dollar yen gonna go down. Aussie dollar, US dollar gonna reverse from the bottom. There are gonna be a lot of potential on that pair. I have already posted that chart. Kiwi dollar, US dollar gonna reverse. Yeah, you're gonna see move over there. All right, pound gonna go back up to 48, 50, or at least 140. Yeah, 142, 44, 45 within those areas for longer term. So that's how market moves. You have to understand a single pair. Yeah, how that single pair move. Once you understand that pair, you're gonna at least you're gonna understand that 50% of the market. All right, where that pair gonna put impact. All right, and once you're gonna understand that, you're not gonna trade on your against your own trade. You will diversify your risk. Okay, so let's move on to the dollar index chart on lower time frame, and let me tell you what you're looking for the next week. So finally, the wave which I was asking you to look for, asking you to look for since last 2 weeks. All right, that wave is appearing over there, but slow. It's not aggressive to the downside. We were expecting something aggression over there. Okay, so there you got the correction. All right, ABC move broke out. There you are having expanding triangle. All right, now we are currently looking, as I have just shown you, set up over there, this area, we are looking for this to continue to go lower like that. Okay, this is what we are looking for. We don't want to see price back to that top or price to break out and go higher for one more up move like that. Okay, we don't want to see that, because The wave has started. Now we are looking for that to keep pushing lower. Okay, so what you should look for this week, look for this pattern formation. All right, if price goes back up for one more up move like that, okay, as I've just shown you the chart, and you are paying attention over there for continuation to the downside for the next move like that. Okay, if you don't see price is not hitting, not going back to that top, yeah, and keep pushing lower like this. Okay, no rush, let the price complete the next wave, next impulsive wave. Let's wait, let it pull back. All right, it will pull back like the way it has done there. Okay, or like the way it has done there. Okay, then look for continuation trade to the downside. You still can grab a potential, that much potential over there on the dollar index, right, or on the euro dollar for upside. All right, I will show you the euro dollar is a very nice, I mean, behaving very nicely, but not ideal. Yeah, behaving nicely, but not the ideal move which we were looking for on the euro dollar. Okay, so what you're looking for, this pattern to complete, right, like that, and expanding triangle formation, and then to continue to go lower. Okay, once price gonna hit that area, that place, you're paying attention over there. If not, reversing from that area, that place, and keep pushing lower for upside like that. Okay, so let the price hit that top, tag that top, look for this trade again from that top or new high. I don't think so we're gonna see one more up move or new high on the dollar index. Dollar index will struggle there at that top again. So you are looking for it to reverse from that top. Now let's move on to the euro. Okay, so euro dollar is very much similar like the dollar index. Okay, so currently we are looking for at least that much potential on it. All right, so currently we are looking for that target. Okay, if we're gonna see that this move is just taking off, at some point it will take off. Currently, which thing is not letting the euro to push up? Okay, which thing? Inflation is not letting the euro to get stronger. All right, but we are looking for weakness on this currency. Okay, this currency, when this currency gonna get weaker, this currency automatically gonna get stronger against the dollar. All right, so euro is not getting strong just because of the inflation is not picking up, inflation is going down. All right, so inflation has to come close to the 2%. When inflation going to come close to that area or that target, you're going to see strength on the euro. And for longer term, we are looking for this euro dollar chart to break up for upside aggressively. All right, or at least as I have just shown you last week as well. All right, at least come there, bigger correction like that, a weekly correction, and then continue to go lower for next leg to the downside like that. Okay, so it's too early to say that correction. That's going to be a weekly correction. So let's look at this chart first. Okay, the old charts. As I said, only members have access to these charts. All right, so I post later on the Telegram. Okay, so we were looking for buy. Even I have just shown you guys these buy setup in the weekly market outlook as well. And we were expecting price to come there, bounce off, correct, go higher, correct, go higher, and keep pushing higher. All right, so first of all, so far we are looking for this move. All right, that move. All right, so if we're gonna get the euro is going to take off like aggressively for upside from these areas. Okay, from these areas aggressively for upside, then our target gonna extend. All right, not just this one. All right, maybe more than that. Then we're gonna target up to 120, 125 within those areas. Okay, and price came and bounced off, and this is the current, I mean, updated chart. It went up, went down. Yeah, correction, went up, went down, and we are expecting it to just form another up leg like that and correct over there. Yeah, and continue to go higher. Yeah, I will go back to that chart, to the euro. I mean, to updated chart. All right, just let's check the let's check this chart. It's just coming, yeah. All right, so these are the euro, I mean, positions which I have taken. All right, so I have just got two positions over there. Yeah, my traders, they are having a lot of buy positions over there. They are having buy there, all these areas, buy, a lot of positions. You know, my members having a lot of positions on the the euro dollar for upside. So there, okay, another correction to form over there, similar like that. Even we were looking for buy at this area as well. We did not got the price exactly at this area. Price just came down and just went up. All right, so we were looking for buy there. Some of my traders even went long at this area as well for more upside on the euro dollar. Now another correction to appear. That's what I'm showing you. Okay, that's what I'm showing you. Another correction to form. All right, and then continue to go higher. Yeah, another opportunity gonna be over there. Yeah, like this. All right, so like this, that entry was triggered there. All right, and the next entry when price was correcting over there. Yeah, when, I mean, this correction was having, when we were having that correction. Yeah, so we got, even I got, a couple of buy opportunities over there as well, but got break even trades. All right, break some profit, you guys can see that. Yeah, we simply call that break even trade. All right, and the opportunity was that, I think, no, I haven't shared that with you, so just let me share that chart with you. And a similar kind of opportunity I'm asking you to look for during the week. All right, yeah, this chart. Okay, we were looking for even this, I mean, after the ECB rate decision. After the ECB rate decision, we were looking for that buy as well. So that buy. All right, so we did not got, I mean, I did not got that buy, but my some of my traders, they went even long. I mean, on this position as well. Yeah, they went long. They bought when price came down. I was expecting, I mean, retest of that bottom and then up. So that was the chart I want to show you is, similar to the euro yen chart. All right, there you got this chart. Okay, so this chart, we got the setup before the ECB. Yeah, that was the trade, short-term trade. So we were looking for even that correction to continue to go higher. It went up to that top. It hit this target, all right, but then because of the ECB went lower, and then we were looking, I have just shown you. All right, so got a small profit, you guys can say that, or break even trade. Okay, so what's next? Just get down to the, hope you guys understand. Yeah, so I spent a couple of minutes on that chart, on the euro dollar chart, just for you to understand that what's next. Okay, so next is this, another correction for the next week. All right, correction is just trying to appear over there. Yeah, another correction, go back up. All right, go down. Okay, in the form of flag, or this kind of correction. All right, once that correction gonna complete, you're looking for buy like that. Okay, either examples I have just shown you. All right, that much potential. Yeah, like that much potential, like this much potential, 1 to, I mean, more than 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, it will depend on your risk. And next leg over there. Okay, and if that next leg is going to rise very, very aggressively, yeah, you can stay into that trade for even for longer term as well. Yeah, all right, hope you understand that. Yeah, I spent a couple of minutes on this chart, hope you understand that. So in case if prices not keep pushing higher, all right, I mean, price is going to get down. All right, price is going to break out like that. Okay, going down aggressively, correcting and going down for one more drop. I mean, testing that bottom. You can trade on that trade for short term for that much potential, okay? But better to look for the trade which I have just shown you, okay? Buy from there, that trade, all right? Or new low, then buy again, okay? I mean, buy from that bottom if price is going to test that bottom. Currently, we are looking for continuation, yeah? So same trade. Look for this trade again from the bottom. So let's get back to the charts. Okay, so that's how, guys, we do, all right? So chart I have just shown you. We identify the direction and we keep adding into that direction, okay? And that's the best way to trade. The chart which I have just shown you is just showing you a one trade, yeah? Just buy one and wait for the profit target to hit, okay? So we keep adding into that direction. No, these two trades are risk free. Once price gonna correct, we're gonna repeat that step again over there, all right? We're gonna get the entry, we're gonna move on break even, and we'll let the price to continue to go higher, yeah? Once price gonna hit to your target, yeah, you're not gonna get I mean one trade over there, yeah? You're gonna get one, two, so yeah, there I got a break even trade, yeah? If I'm gonna have that trade on, then you know the second one, two, three, and fourth entry gonna be over there, yeah? That's the right way to trade. Yeah, once you understand that, yeah, price is going into your direction, so trade into that direction. Wait for the price to correct, add. That's what I have shown you last week on the Kiwi dollar chart, all right? Now let's look at the dollar chief. And similar kind of potential you're gonna see here on the dollar chief chart, all right? It is correcting, and correction is just getting bigger and bigger over there on I mean this correction, this is a daily correction, and we are expecting that daily correction to break and give us that wave, all right? Okay, this much potential, guys. So the main reason why these major currencies not moving, the main reason is the Brexit, all right? Brexit issue is not letting the big currencies to move, yeah? Not letting the chief to move, not letting the euro to move, not letting the pound to move, yeah? And dollar currently is playing as a safe haven, all right? Dollar is currently playing as a safe haven. So once we're gonna, I mean, that uncertainty gonna be over, you're gonna see that kind of drop over there, all right? Okay, that kind of drop over there. So let's get down and let's look at the dollar chief chart. All right, so we got a couple of break-even trades on the dollar chief chart. All right, we were selling every time, and it is hitting the previous high or new high. Yeah, we got a couple of break-even trades, but we will keep doing that as long as dollar chief will stay into that correction, and we'll hold once we're going to see that the breakout is going to come over there after that correction. All right, so how you can trade on this chart? Okay, so let the price push higher, let it test that top, and watch this top or new high, all right? And look for that short-term trade first. Once price come back within that area, look for it to break out, all right? Break out aggressively to the downside. If break like that, stay in, all right? If not break in and just reversing like that, all right? Or if it is going to get down that way, all right? Coming down slowly like that. Okay, take off your profit and let the price come back for one more up move. Once price gonna form higher high, just look for it to drop to the downside. All right, so there going to be a very nice opportunity on the dollar chief once this correction going to continue to go lower for breakout. Yeah, so someone is asking for the gold. All right, so let's get down to that chart. Okay, so let me show you chart on the gold as well. So what we were looking for on the gold, all right? I share that chart with the followers as well. Even I have shown that chart in the last weekly market outlook as well, all right? Okay, that's what we were waiting for. Gold to hit the bottom, gold hit the bottom. All right, and that's what we were looking for. We were looking for buy over there on the gold from that bottom and that possible pattern formation. So there is still possibility that the gold can form that pattern formation, all right? The formation I'm just showing you here, all right? Or maybe a complete next bullish leg, all right? Which is very likely, okay, like that. Okay, this kind of triangle will show you onto the lower a bigger time frame. All right, so I mean that is what we were looking for. So it went up, and after that we were looking for continuation setups over there, the way I have just shown you on the euro dollar chart. Right, we were having corrections over there, Yeah, and we were looking for that correction to just continue to go higher for one more up leg, but it broke down aggressively to the downside. Okay, so similar setup, the setup I have just shown you on the gold. All right, you are looking for the same setup next week. This setup. All right, same setup you're looking for. Once gold gonna hit that bottom, gonna tag that bottom, you're looking for this move. All right, same setup over there. Now let's get back to the chart. Okay, currently, I mean on the weekly time frame, that's the bigger time frame. All right, the triangle formation, we are expecting that triangle. Okay, so currently looking for that move. Okay, that move or the flat formation as I have just explained last week. All right, so there is possibility that the gold can tag that top or can form new high over there, as I have just shown you the drop on the dollar index. All right, and equity markets are at the top. All right, if any uncertainty is going to arise in the market, all right, that will push the dollar more upside, not to the downside, and there are chances that we can have another uncertainty into the market very soon, because the equity market are at the top. All right, and gold gonna start to play as a safe haven again. All right, and that's a bigger time frame. All right, weekly time frame. So let's get down 4-hour time frame. Okay, so same chart which I have just shown you. Okay, I'm expecting currently that triangle pattern formation, but you're looking for still that for the next week. Okay, so this move to complete. All right, this wave to complete over there, and there you're gonna pay attention. Either you are having the change in trend, okay, the change in trend for the downside, or the gold is going to form new leg like that for the upside. There is possibility, as I said, that the gold still can go for that one more up move over there. Okay, now let's get down to the, I mean, like that leg. All right, so like that leg. All right, so let's get down to the further lower time frame. Okay, there you're paying attention. Let me remove that. So there you're paying attention, right? So there's going to be a short-term sell opportunity back to the bottom. You can go after that once market going to open, but when you're going to go for after that trade, make sure you trade with care. All right, so that short-term trade, okay, this short-term trade, tag that bottom, and once price going to tag that bottom, similar kind of price action you're searching over there from on the gold, right, from that bottom, rise and go back up. Easy stuff. All right, that's easy. Just need to understand the price behavior before you trigger the trade. All right, if you start to read, if you start to read the price action, all right, you don't need to look at the others chart, all right, or you don't need to follow others stuff. Yeah, the rest of the market gonna be very easy for you if you will start to to read the price action. All right, so let's go to the palladium. Very nice opportunities in making on this chart. All right, and the pattern which we are having over there, that's telling us that very soon this pair gonna go back up to the top. Okay, and you guys can trade on this pair. All right, so last week we were expecting similar pattern formation like flat, all right, like gold, flat formation on gold, all right, like this. Price is struggling. It went up but struggling over there. So this pattern formation is much better than the gold. All right, and this pattern formation is telling us that the this pair gonna continue the trend rather than for continuation to the downside. Okay, so you guys are looking for short-term drop on this, similar like the gold one. All right, one more drop, hit that bottom or new low. All right, once price hit that bottom or new low, you're looking for this to break out aggressively for upside. Okay, and continue that wave. Okay, this opportunity is very good. So search, trade into that direction. All right, they're going to be a very nice opportunity. If I'll get enough time, then definitely I will post that chart for you guys so that you guys can catch the the buy on it. All right, so very nice potential going to be over there. So far it is struggling. All right, and any breakout of this correction, you see that this is correcting. Yeah, any strong breakout for upside, yeah, can resume the trend, okay, can resume the trend. So you waiting for the price to tag that bottom. Okay, if you will not be able to trigger the trade from somewhere within these areas, let's suppose it is taking off like that. Okay, so let it go, don't chase these running candles. All right, let it go, it will correct after that. All right, okay, it will correct, and then you're gonna look for it to continue to go higher. Got it? All right, so just 1 second guys, just 1 second, just bear with me 1 second please. All right, so do you hear me? Yes, thank you. Actually, I was having someone at my door, so okay, so uh, that's what you are looking for. A very nice opportunities in making, and don't miss that opportunity. All right. So price can struggle over there at that bottom around 1350 for a while before you're gonna start to see the uptrend. All right. So last time when I was showing you buy opportunity over there, that buy opportunity was almost close to the same price. All right, there at this area, if you remember. All right, this area, this next wave or the next leg you got after that. Okay, so similar area or similar price you are looking for buy again. And silver, same trade, almost same trade like the palladium. So you're looking for something like that. We already got some profit on it on the silver. We bought it, and we were looking for it to continue to go higher. Yeah, as I said last week, I went long from this area in the yeah in the weekly market. I have told you that. So we got some profit at this area, and we are looking for buy again on the silver. Yeah, and this pattern formation to break out for the next leg like that. All right, this up leg. Okay, this leg. So this pattern formation is very nice and is telling us that soon we're going to see the next wave. All right, there is possibility that this pattern formations can change and can turn into like that. Yeah, flat formation. Currently we are not expecting that. Yeah, that can happen. All right, that can happen. Currently we are not anticipating that move. Yeah, we are anticipating at least that move. All right, at least that move. Okay, if not going all the way back to that top or not resuming the bullish uptrend on the silver. Okay, let's get down and let me show you where you guys need to pay attention on the silver. Yeah, so we were just buying the silver on these because there is, I mean, uh, maybe you guys gonna have a less potential on it, but probabilities are very much high for buying the silver. All right, I mean, you're gonna get profit when you're going to buy the silver. You're going to be profitable. So let the price tag the bottom, yeah, and uh, and watch it to bounce off aggressively. Yeah, I will go to the 15-minute time frame, yeah, and look for buy from that bottom. Let's go down. Okay, so buy the silver every time when it is coming close to the previous lows or forming new lows. All right, so like that. Okay, so once you see this is going to happen, let me make it more bigger. Okay, let's make more bigger. All right, so once you see that this is going to happen on the silver from the bottom, just simply go for long on the silver. All right, and you're gonna be profitable over there. All right, and look for continuation. So similar kind of behavior you're searching there on the current price. All right, at this area, so you don't have now. All right, so and wait for it to push further low, and once you see that, boom, rising, buy, trigger the trade. Okay, silver, And let's get to the dollar CAD, all right? Dollar CAD is staying within the sideways market. It's not making a direction. Okay, and that's what we are looking for, yeah, so far. Um, this up, this one more leg from that bottom, all right? So this wave, the wave which I'm showing you, gonna be against the other pairs, like I have just shown you the DXY, yeah? So drop on the DXY will obviously gonna give you drop here, all right? You're gonna see I mean, let's get back to the weekly time frame, all right? And let's check this, where this pair gonna go in longer term. Yeah, the way this correction broke out, similar things gonna happen. Okay, where is oil now? Do you know where is oil? Oil is being traded. Let's check that chart. 71. Okay, UK oil is being traded at the 71 and struggling. Okay, it still can push further up, further high for a couple of more bucks, like $4 or $5, 80, 85, yeah, $10 or $15. But once price gonna complete that wave or the next wave, all right, oil gonna do something like that again. Okay, once oil gonna do something like that again, you're gonna see the drop on the dollar CAD, all right? And once dollar CAD gonna go down, you're gonna see the next move. Yeah, so it's all about time, guys. It's time. Market needs time, all right? As I have just shown you at the start of the meeting, the Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar chart. It took a lot of time. Yeah, August to April. Yeah, and almost 800 pips move was there. So yeah, break down and continue to go lower. Yeah, or hold that bottom and go back up for one more up move like this move. Okay, there is possibility that the dollar CAD can go back up for one more up move. So let's go down to your lower time frame. There you can trade for short term, but make sure when you're trading for short term move to the downside on lower time frame, you trade with care, all right? It is still within this the correction. Yeah, so this short term trade to hit the bottom, and then from that bottom, you're looking for that trade. Okay, if not going to hit that bottom, all right, and only going to hit that bottom, all right, at this area. So look for this move. Go back up like that, all right, like that, or up to within that correction, or that top and then drop. Okay, so we are actually having that corrections. So Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi dollar, we are looking for it to go back up like that. All right, so this move to happen, and I hope you guys have seen the bigger time frame chart. If not, let me update you. So this is what we are looking for longer term up move or X leg, you guys can say that, all right, like this kind of correction. Okay, there we'll see either we're gonna have this drop or we're gonna see change in trend on the Kiwi dollar, US dollar. There is possibility that the Kiwi still can push lower for one more drop like that, all right? It can push lower like this. Okay, it can tag that bottom, it can test that bottom and can go, I mean, flat formation, the flat formation which I'm showing you since from that top, if you remember, all right, that flat formation. So there is possibility that the Kiwi can slightly push lower than that. Okay, now let's get down to the lower time frame so that you guys can understand that what to do now. All right, so the short term buy opportunity we were having on this pair was that we were buying short term, looking for short term buy on this pair. Yeah, expecting that flat formation. We were expecting some price action over there. We got the price action. Okay, so you look at this. What these couple of words saying? Watch for the impulse before you jump into the market. Okay, now just look at the next chart. where we have seen the impulse? Did we see the impulse there? No, that wasn't the impulse. Okay, that was the impulse. That's called the impulse, all right? All right, that was the impulse. So there you got the impulse, there you got the correction, and there you got the trade. Okay, if you start to understand that, you start to make money, all right? So what you're looking for, there is still possibility that the kiwi still can tag the same area, same bottom for the downside like that. Okay, it can tag that bottom again, or even can form new low within that channel, all right, this channel. And once price gonna form new low or gonna tag the previous bottom, you're looking for this to happen. Okay, that trade to happen. So the price action which I have just shown you on that chart, once price come close to that bottom, you're looking for the same price action, all right? This, okay, from the bottom, that's the price action you're looking for. Currently, you're looking for correction over there, guys. Okay, continuation. So you got the move from the bottom. You're looking for a correction, and that correction to continue to go higher. Okay, move already started over there from the bottom. So you're looking for continuation and that continuation to go higher. If not, then short them, sell, as I have just shown you the channel, and then buy again from the new low. And the chart which I have just posted over there, that chart, all right, updated it. I have updated that chart a couple of times, 3-4 times. All right, so make sure you hit the like button. All right, if you like the chart, if you are learning something from these charts, or if these charts are helping you to read the market, then make sure you support the chart with your likes. Okay, now this is what you're looking for the next week. All right, so you're waiting, you're watching for the price action over there, you're looking for this correction, this corrective wave to break down. All right, now looking for that, this move. Okay, this is a good this move. All right, this is a good potential opportunity like that wave. Okay, and once price gonna form new low or gonna test that bottom, you're gonna start to look for this move. There is possibility that this pair is not going to test the bottom, all right, and price can take off at this aggressively for upside. Currently we are not anticipating, because this pattern formation is bullish here, right? At some point Aussie dollar US dollar gonna break off for continuation for upside. Okay, so there is possibility that this pattern formation gonna break out and continue to go higher. Currently we are not anticipating that, we are not expecting that. We are, the way price is pushing up, we are expecting one more drop, and we are looking for that trade. All right, so let's get down to the chart, let's get to the lower time frame, and let's look at that, what kind of price behavior you guys should search over there before you go for a shot. So simply just tag that top like that, put your horizontal ray over there, and you're gonna understand that where is your top. All right, there is your top. Price is still pushing higher, you can see that, pushing higher. Okay, correcting. All right, so it still can push higher for one more up move like that. So you're searching this strong, sharp, impulsive move on your lower time frame for the next week. Once you're gonna get that, just simply join the sell. Okay, if you're not gonna get that sharp sell is not coming, wait for that before you jump into the market. Okay, wait. Similar like this. All right, similar like that. You see that? So you're watching for this to happen on the Aussie dollar. Once you see that that's going to happen, you are in. All right, these are the examples. But price did not continue after that. So you're looking for something sharp. Okay, price action is disappearing over there. You're looking for something sharp. All right, or just go back to the previous chart, previous area. Right, this area, just check there. Okay, so you're searching for this kind of behavior. All right, so I hope we're gonna get that, and this pair gonna go down. We are already got some profit on other Uzi pairs. All right, we got some profit on other Uzi pairs, and potentially still there. Yeah, this pair just shown you, I think, at the start of the No, yeah, I have shown. Okay, this we already got, we got a couple of break-even trades on it. All right, we were buying over there during the ECB rate, the C, and yeah, price went and then tagged the break-even. So we got the break-even, and then we were looking for buy there. All right, so we got that trade, and we are still searching this trade. All right, that trade. Okay, this trade I have just shown you on the Australian dollar and US dollar, that trade for downside, and we are searching same trade on this pair. Right, we already got, I have just yeah, we got that profit, we got that profit, we got a couple of break-even trades. We did not got that target. Yeah, price just went up and then reversed. So we are, I mean, this is what we are not looking for. Okay, but yeah, we will do every time, we will buy every time when price gonna come close to that bottom, and we'll watch the price action and we'll consider the profit over there. If price is not going to push higher, we'll consider the profit and we'll let the price get to the bottom again and we'll buy again. All right, so this is what we are searching over there, and that's the trade which I have just shown you on the, yeah, that trade went up, went down, did not continue after that. So that trade we are searching on the dollar US dollar. So same trade I have just shown you. Okay, or yeah, we'll show you that chart once I will hit the, I mean, go to that chart. So we were selling this pair as well, and we got the break-even trades on it. Okay, so this is what we are looking for. Okay, the bigger image, bigger structure, or the daily chart. Right, as long as price gonna stay within this, we are searching this similar wave, like that wave. Okay, there. Okay, and there is possibility that the price next week slowly can push higher like that. Okay, and then can start to drop or going to start to correct in this similar way like that. All right, so last week, if you remember that, I was asking you to look for it to go down. Okay, this move I was showing you. That wave started pretty well. We went short a couple of times on it, and yeah, we shorted this pair at this area, and then we were selling this area. Yeah, then we were selling this area. We sold there, sold there, sold there, and then after the Fed meeting minutes, it just reversed so aggressively for upside, and yeah, let me show you that chart. This is the chart, right? So that was the continuation trade. We were looking for it to continue after these corrections. So some of my traders, they made profit. They took, I mean, that much profit over there, 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Yeah, the next leg profit, and this is what we were searching over there. Yeah. Yeah, but price did not continue to go lower, and that's the way which I have just shown you. And then right after that, it just aggressively reversed after the Fed meeting minutes. All right, so we are still looking for the same wave. Yeah, that wave gonna give us a good potential, good profit. All right, so as I said, you're paying attention, there is possibility that the price can correct like that. Okay, price can correct like that and can continue for one more up move like this. Okay, so still we gonna go for this move, guys. If you are buying the dollar yen, then make sure you are buying for very short term, all right, and taking profit on time. So what you're looking for, let's get down. What you're looking for this week, there you got the top. Okay, so you're looking for price action over there when market gonna open. You're looking for price action. Currently it is short-term bullish and pushing higher. Okay, you're looking for this to break down aggressively. Okay, you're looking for that. Yeah, if keeps pushing like this, you see that? Pushing up, all right, pushing up. All right, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Okay, if pushing up, you can trade on it for short term for this much money, but make sure you trade with care. Yeah, so let it push up. If corrects again, let it push up. You're looking for this to do this. Okay, you're looking for it to break down aggressively to the downside. And when it is going to break down, boom, you are in. Okay, and that's what I have just, I mean, as an example, I have just shown you. Some of my traders, they got it, sell from these areas. I got sells from there within these areas, just right from that top, and we were looking for this to continue to go lower. Yeah, it pushed, it broke out, then went up, turned into that expanding, you know, triangle, and then push lower after that. Some of my traders even, went short there, they went short there, they got some profit on it, but we were looking for more than this much potential in it. So we're gonna do that again. Okay, just copy and just paste that stuff there. If you understand what I'm doing, what I'm showing, great. If you don't understand that, make sure you learn first, you understand first before you start to trade on your live money, on your real money, on your live account. All right, if you're not going to understand that and just going to start to trade, you can lose a lot of money before you're going to start to make money. So make sure you understand first. All right, make sure you understand. If you want to make some money, then try to understand that first. Okay, so there you got the pattern formation. All right, the pattern formation which I was asking you to look for, or I was asking you to wait for this to form. All right, so where I started to show that pattern formation, there we got the impulse, we got the correction, we got the impulse. Yeah, from there at this area, and there you are having an expanding triangle formation. Now we are paying attention over there this week to have that wave. Or if not that wave, then at least that wave back to that bottom, back to this area. So currently price is not ready to sell. Okay, if you guys are gonna start to sell right after this meeting, or when market gonna open, you can get stop, some losses before you're gonna start to see, the the drop on this pair. Okay, because the trend on lower time frame is still bullish. Okay, which means that it can slightly push up like that. Okay, if going to push up like that, then you guys not gonna have that pattern formation. Okay, it will change, but it will not change this pattern. All right, this pattern, this structure, this pattern formation. Okay, this is not going to change, but this pattern formation which I'm just showing you over there, that will change, but the bigger one will not change. All right, so once price is gonna form new high, or gonna retest that top, so you're looking for this wave. Okay, you will be seller. So we were seller there. So my traders, they made a good profit on it. All right, we were seller there. Yeah, seller there, seller on that correction, and we were seller there. Short chart I have just posted in the Telegram, and there we were looking for that wave. All right, and last week what we were looking for, this correction to continue. Yeah, even I was showing you correction over there at this area. Yeah, one more drop, or the lower time frame correction to continue to go higher. Okay, so let's get down to the lower time frame. Let's check the chart, and once I will show you the chart, yeah, you're gonna understand that what to do next. Okay, this pattern formation is there. Right, that was the pattern formation which we were looking for last week. All right, we got that very nice bullish move over there. There you got the euro yen chart. This is, extraordinary stuff, guys. Very nice stuff. Okay, every single move within that patterns happened as expected. Okay, you see that move happened first. All right, that wave happened, then this wave happened. All right, there we were looking for this. Some of my traders, they went for this short as well. They sold. All right, they sold for this move as well, and I was showing that short and sell to them as well. Okay, they sold, they sold, and then we were looking for this to continue to go higher during the ECB rate decision. All right, that short-term up move happened over there after that. Yeah, and then this next wave appeared over there. Okay, price, broke out that bottom, but after breaking out, right after, it reversed, and that's what I was, Well, I mean, this is what we were expecting. So what is next? Okay, so you understand that what price has done from that bottom. Price reverse, specifically my traders, yeah, what I was showing them. Yeah, because they're gonna be the same steps again. The steps they have done there. Okay, same steps gonna be over there at that top. All right, so it went up aggressively. It corrected, broke out, corrected, went up, correction, and next wave. So similar steps you are searching over there. The steps you guys were looking for there at that bottom. You're looking for those steps again at that top. Okay, you're looking for that to drop. You're looking for that to correct. You're looking for that to drop. Or you're looking for that to correct. Okay, if I'm going to show you my previous charts, all right, previous charts, okay, at this area, at this, I mean this area, then you guys gonna understand that yes, similar step is needed over there. Okay, so let's quickly check that chart, and then gonna get back to the setups. All right, so Telegram. All right, there you got, okay, this chart. What price did over there? It was pushing higher. Okay, started to struggle there, struggling there, and broken down that trend. All right, and went lower aggressively and corrected after that. And what was the next step? Just look for the next move when price was having that correction. So you're searching this kind of price action over there at the current price on the euro yen. Simple. Okay, and what price did after that? It just broke through that trend and went lower. So similar kind of steps over there again. Currently the trend is sharp over there. You can see over there, yeah, the move is sharp, aggressive, which means that it slightly can push higher, okay, like that. But that does not mean you should not search this trade. Okay, let it push. If it is pushing up, let's get down to the lower time frame. All right, let's get to this time frame. Okay, so it is pushing up, correction, pushing higher, correction, pushing higher, correction, pushing higher, yet another correction. Okay, that correction can push up for one more up move like that. You see that? All right, you see that? Okay, it can push up for one more up move. So this is what you are not looking for from that top for sell. You're looking for something like that at this area, at that top. Okay, this kind of price behavior over there at that top. So once you see that that's happening, great, it's time to sell the euro yen. Correction, add more, add more, keep selling, go all the way back to the bottom. If you don't see price action, the price action as an example I have just shown you there, I can show you more, guys, just for your understanding, just for your learning. So you're waiting for this, all right, from that top. So don't rush, let the price do this and join that. Okay, or if you go back to the previous top, that's what you're searching over there on the euro yen. Okay, because euro yen is forming a very nice opportunity, so that's why I'm spending more time on it. Okay, so you're searching that kind of price action, correction. We were seller over there as well, guys, just for your info, at this area. My traders, they remember that. Okay, so similar kind of price behavior and a very good opportunity going to be over there on the euro yen. So if it keeps pushing, don't do anything, let it push higher. Yeah, once it will forming a very nice solid bearish price behavior, price action, there you have a time to go for short on it. And similar kind of behavior on the CAD yen. CAD yen slightly pushed up for one more up move. Okay, same, very good opportunity gonna be over there on the CAD yen as well. Okay, it can do the same like the euro yen. So I'm not gonna put a lot of, gonna spend more time on it. So example, I've just shown you the euro yen chart. Okay, so lower time frame, this move, all right. So lower time, go to the lower time frame, and watch for the first impulse. All right, once you're gonna have the first impulse, start to sell. We were seller there. We already got some profit on it. Okay, we were seller there at this area. We were selling at this area. Okay, even we were looking for continuation there at this area, and then this pair to form like that pattern formation and continue to go lower. Yeah, it did not continue, it went up. So we got that much profit on the CAD yen. Yeah, so just let me show you quickly that chart. Yeah, so similar kind of price behavior you're searching over there on the CAD yen from the top. Yeah, it's so much fun. Yeah, it's so much fun for some guys. Okay, so there you got that. I mean, that trade we were looking for. So this price action you're searching on the CAD yen from the top, all right? Okay, so that once you're gonna see that, this is go for short-term trade. Yeah, if fall is going to be very aggressive on the current price, okay, and stay into that for longer term. The chart, bigger time frame chart, I have just shown you. All right, similar kind of behavior at the current price, and don't miss this opportunity. All right, so it went up. We were selling the Uzi yen, and they're going to be a very nice potential. I mean, higher probability trade. You guys can see that. All right, this move. Okay, we are already short on it, and we are looking to add more. Okay, this trade. Yeah, if you're not gonna get that big move to the downside, okay, that big drop, so you at least you're gonna get that much potential on it. Okay, no worry. Don't. I mean, if you are having short on it already on the Uzi yen, okay, don't rush or don't worry, don't frustrate. Let the price finish the bullish move. Okay, it is almost to finish the bullish move. We are having short on it, as I said. So once price gonna finish that bullish move, I mean it is almost to finish. Okay, and 15-minute sharp sell, correction, sell more. Okay, on 15-minute impulse, sell more, and on correction, add more. Okay, add more on correction. So this is going to be a higher probability trade, guys. As I have just shown you, the Euro Australian dollar is about to go down for one more drop. This pair will come back within these areas again. Okay, if it is not going to come back within that sideways market, at least it will correct the way it is correcting. Okay, it will correct like that. Okay, it will correct like that. Okay, it will correct like that if it is not going to drop. So this is what we are looking for. Get that right. So another good opportunity is in making on the Uzi yen. Now we know that up to which level correction can go. Yeah, so it's not hard. I have just shown you the dollar yen chart, right? We know that the correction, was getting bigger over there. And this pair, as I said last week, short-term buy on this pair. Yeah, so it's pushing up, and this pair slightly can push higher like that. All right, on lower time frame back to that top, and you can buy for the next week. Short-term up, all right. And once price gonna tag that top, you're looking for it to drop. There is possibility that this pair not gonna tag the top, and this correction gonna continue to go lower. All right. So when you're gonna go after that trade, make sure you buy the Kiwi yen with care for upside, okay, because other pairs are at the top and this pair is within the middle. All right, either this pair has to quickly go back up at the top and then reverse, yeah, and correction will go to the time, will do the I mean, correction will tell you that either it is going to continue to go higher for one more up move, or the yen is going to show its force. Okay, sharp sell like that. Okay, like that, sharp sell and go down for one more drop back to the bottom, or resume the bearish trend. So pound pairs are not moving, they are at the sideways. Well, look at that, Julian. So pound pairs, they are not moving just because of the let me finish the forex, please. If you will be patience with me, because these are the opportunities which you guys go for. I mean, if you are trading on the currencies, then these are the opportunities for the next week which you should consider. I have shown some of, I have shown very much, I mean, I mean, very good opportunities, more than the coffee or the other one, tele trade. Yeah, these are the much better opportunities. Yeah, but let me finish this and I will look at your charts once I will finish that. Just bear with me for a couple of more minutes. I'm just going to finish. Yeah, I know you guys are getting tired. Okay, so there, this pair, I mean, the all pound pairs, they are, running within a bigger daily corrections, which means that they can break up and can form one more bullish leg. All right, they can break up and can form one more bullish leg, the pound pairs. Some of them forming very nice correction, some of them are not. All right, so that means you are about to see breakout on pound pairs. All right, they are about to see breakout either for upside, either for downside. Okay, you are about to see breakout, and the question is, when breakout is going to happen, which way you should trade? Either you should trade for, either you should buy the pound pairs, or you should sell the pound pairs. Yeah, because they are not moving. They are in a sideways market. So soon you're gonna see direction on the pound pairs. So currently we are expecting strength on some pound pairs. All right, so some pound pairs to get stronger. All right, and on some pound pairs we are expecting them to go down. All right, so the pound yen can continue. I mean, can break. This correct. You see that sharp move? That correction can continue to go lower for one more drop like that. This correction can break down for one more drop. If not the big move, at least like that. All right, at least hit that, tag that bottom or this bottom. All right, like that. So let's get down. All right, let's get down and let me tell you how you can trade on the pound yen for the next week. Okay, wash correction over there like that, like this. Okay, once that correction going to complete, look for this to do that. Okay, if this move is going to be very sharp like that, stay into that trade and watch that bottom to break out. Okay, if move is not going to be sharp, going to be slow like that, okay, let it tag that bottom, let it hit that bottom and look for it to go back up for one more up move. Okay, first of all, search this trade on the pound yen. Okay, correction and that trade. Buy setup is not there from the current price. Yeah, it has to form like that correction before you guys start to buy. All right, it has to form like that correction before you guys start to buy for upside. Pound chief is doing that. So there you got the pound dollar. So you're looking for, they are about to break out. Okay, pound pairs are about to break out. So we are anticipating this move. Okay, that move, not this move. Okay, that move, that trade. So let me put some risk reward ratio over there so that you can understand that. Okay, this move you're looking for. All right, and possible trend resumption. All right, that move you are looking for next week, and possible trend resumption. All right, when I say trend resumption on the pound dollar, that means that you are looking for, okay, you're looking for, first of all, let me show you the weekly chart. You're looking for this. All right, okay, you're looking for that. Okay, so breakout there or the next move there like that can resume that trend. Okay, and potential is so huge over there. Just look at that. So huge. And they're gonna be very much, I mean, many buy opportunities over there on the pound dollar for upside. So what you're looking for, just simply, I mean, I'm making more simple for you. You're waiting for the price to test this area, right? Or this previous bottom, all right? Or you can see that 130, all right? 130, and you're looking for buy over there close to the 130. Okay, every time when prices come in close to that bottom, okay, you're looking for it to buy like that. Okay, there is, I mean, price is still correcting over there. Yeah, so and highly likely price going to go down for one more drop like that, and going to test this bottom or going to form new low. Once price going to test that bottom, you're looking for this wave. Okay, that does not mean you should wait for that, guys, for I mean, price to come at that area, and then you should trade only. Yeah, you can trade over there on lower time frame for short term if you understand the pattern and if you understand the structure, how structure is developing over there, or how pattern is developing over there. Yeah, you can trade even on lower time frame as well. But once price form new low or tag the previous bottom, you're looking for it to bounce off aggressively from that bottom, and possible daily correction breakout and continuation for more upside like that. Okay, so making it more simple for you for short-term sellers. All right, okay, you see that correction, okay, short-term one more up move, and that short-term one more drop like that. Okay, like this move, and once price tag that bottom, you're looking for it to continue. Yeah, so this trade, search that if price test that area, search that it has already tested that. Yeah, so you cannot get into the market over there. You already missed the move from there. If you're gonna get in the market from there, yeah, once price gonna go back up, gonna form higher high, you're gonna get stopped out over there. So what, look for this to breakdown, tag the bottom and reverse aggressively, or one more up move within that correction and then drop and then up. Okay, so this is sideways market. Okay, so trading within that sideways market is not easy. All right, it's not easy. So if you guys understand that how to trade within that sideways corrections, perfect. Keep trading, keep making money on it. All right, so make sure this breakout shouldn't be strong. Yeah, breakout should be corrective. So we are more interested to see that trade, the trade which I have just shown you, and similar kind of trade gonna appear over there on a couple of other pound pairs very soon. Okay, and there we are having a slight different view. All right, so similar kind of structure almost like the pound dollar. All right, there is possibility that this pair also can go back up for one more up move like that. Okay, this, so currently we are not looking for this move on this pair. Okay, so which move, guys? Go down. We were selling even on this correction. We got a break even trades. Yeah, this correction to break, hit that bottom and go back up. We got a break even trades over there, so it did not continue. Okay, so what you're looking for, this correction to continue to go higher. Okay, this correction to continue to go higher and test that top. You can buy for short, but make sure when you are trading within these sideways market, then trade with care. All right, okay, because it can break down as well like that. Okay, this is the structure which we are currently anticipating, we are expecting like that. All right, so tag that top, hit that top, and this trade. Okay, this trade we are searching over there on this pair. So you believe on my charts and you just made few dollars on it? Come on, man. People are making, a lot of money on these charts and you have made just few dollars. So seems to me that you are very new. All right. So good luck for the future. All right. So hope you will keep making dollars like that. Okay. So one more drop. like that. Okay, this one more drop is possible, and this is the structure. Okay, this structure to go that way, all right, or this to break out and go that way. Currently we are not anticipating that move, okay, but structure is telling us that breakout is possible. Okay, so we are looking for this trade, okay, this to break out aggressively and go down. Okay, this means that you're gonna see the opposite wave on the dollar sheaf. All right, dollar sheaf also going to go back up. So this short term move, all right, that short term move back to that bottom, hit that bottom, and once price going to hit that bottom, or if we're going to form new low, search it to reverse, search the reversal over there. Okay, and similar kind of wave on this pair. Okay, so simply I'm making things simple for you, because some people, they don't understand the meso, right, or the correction. Okay, so just put this horizontal line over there, watch that price. Okay, once price tag that bottom, you're looking for this to happen. Make sure when you go for long, you use stop loss over there. All right, okay, because there is possibility that it can break out and can continue to the downside, but you don't have a sell setup over there. Sell setup gonna stop you out, so look for it to go back up for one more up move. And this chart too, we are anticipating one more up move. It is pushing slowly for the downside. Our longer term forecast is the bearish on it. All right, let me just show you the longer term chart on it. And some of my traders, they are holding their trades. Yeah, some of my traders, they went short right from the top. We were selling this pair, we're selling this pair from the top, and this, okay, this forecast will stay there until we're gonna see a change on it. Yeah, I'm showing you with even with risk reward ratio. Yeah, this is the trade which we were searching over there from that top. We got sell on it from, yeah, on this pair for a couple of times. Yeah, and got some good profit and break even, and yeah, sold there, got a break even trade and sold there. Yeah, got some good profit on it on this pair. Okay, so currently what we are anticipating this pair to go back up for one more up move. I'll make more simple analysis for you on lower time frame. Okay, we are anticipating that move, not this wave. Okay, we are anticipating that wave to happen. Okay, or at least test that top. Okay, and go down again from that top. Okay, so how this structure gonna change? All right, this structure gonna change once price gonna start to get down aggressively like that, and gonna start to correct after this. Okay, I can show you the example, and you guys gonna quickly understand that by looking at that example. Okay, so if you're gonna check this price behavior, you're gonna understand that. Okay, so price started to fall last time on it slowly. We were, anticipating one more up move on this pair, so we did not get that one more up move, and then we started to sell this pair from these areas. Okay, there we started to sell, there we started to sell. Okay, we were anticipating one more because the move was corrective over there. Yeah, move was corrective. We were anticipating one more up move. We did not see that wave, right? And it started to go down after that. So it can repeat that behavior again. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, it can do that. So start is similar like last time. Yeah, start was corrective, pushing lower, and suddenly drop, corrected, and then boom, went lower. Okay, so it can do that again. It can do that again. Yeah, it can fall down aggressively, it can correct, and can resume the bearish trend. So how you can trade, that's the question. How you can trade, and what you should do, which way you should look for. There you got the 1 hour time frame. Okay, there you're paying attention. Okay, so you first of all looking for this trade. Let's get down to 15-minute time frame. Okay, so you're searching this trade first. Okay, you're searching this trade. Okay, this is your trade. All right, that is your trade. Okay, if trade is going to be similar like this, corrective move, take off your profit and leave this chart. There's gonna be one more drop. Okay, so you're searching similar trade but in this behavior. Okay, so you're searching similar trade but different price behavior, that price behavior, not this price behavior. Okay, this will tell you that the next bullish wave is going to be appear over there. Okay, and add more on corrections. So similar trade or similar wave on this chart. There is possibility, I mean, same structure on all pound pairs. Currently we are anticipating this move. Okay, there is possibility, guys, that we're not gonna get that wave, and pound kiwi is gonna go down for one more drop like that within this move. Yeah. So let's get to the lower time frame and let's understand that where we should look for buy or sell. Okay, currently what we are looking for this correction to break out. This correction to break out and next leg. So your first trade is this for this next week. All right, so your first trade is this, same like the pound Australian dollar. Okay, so you're looking for short-term trade that. Okay, like this, like that trade. Okay, like that trade. And once price tests that top, you're paying attention. Okay, if breaking up like that, stay in, and the next leg is going to appear over there. If not breaking up, take off your profit, sell again like this. All right, and if breaking the bottom, stay in. You are having continuation to the downside. Okay, if not going up for one more up move like this move, the move short term I have just shown you, not going up for that move. Yeah, let it break down. Okay, let it correct, then start to sell. Okay, you already missed the sell from that top. So next sell should be on a proper correction for the downside. So we are anticipating one more up move. And this pair is extremely well, moving nicely. We were anticipating a big correction on it. Yeah, so far we don't have. All right, we don't have that correction, and I hope you guys know that which way this pair is heading. All right, this pair is heading for the upside, and you are searching another wave over there at this area for that next leg. So let's get down, and you're gonna have a continuation trade over there for this week. So simply there. Okay, there you're paying attention and you're looking for this continuation to the upside. Okay, if correction gets bigger, look for it to continue to go higher. That's it. Let's make things simple for you. Okay, so you're looking for it to tag that bottom and continue to go higher. If correction gets bigger, yeah, take off your profit from the top, let the price get back to the bottom, and then buy it again. And on this pair chart I have just shown you, I think the setup with the risk reward ratios as well. Okay, this is what we are looking for, that trade. And we will do same again. I mean, the way we have done last week. Okay, we got some profit on it, but we were looking for big profit on it. Yeah, this move, that move. All right, so we got some profit on it. So we will do that again in the same way for the same price behavior. Okay, so once price tag the bottom, all right, or test the previous bottom, you're looking for this to break out for upside. Chart I have just shown you guys, so good chart. This chart is good, and other Uzi charts are good. So EuroCAD. So EuroCAD, there is possibility that the EuroCAD can tag the bottom again. All right, it can test the bottom. Yeah, this bottom. So we are looking for continuation and keep going higher like that. Okay, if breaks down like that, breaks down, go down, test that bottom, You're looking for this wave. Okay, that's the trade you guys should consider on the Eurocat. Some of my traders, they are already long on it. I went long on it on the Eurocat from these areas. Okay, these areas. So I got a break-even trade, and I did not get a chance to get into that trade again. So it is just pushing higher. So some of my member, they are still holding. So there, okay, and I mean that was the correction. Okay, this correction is in formation. Okay, you're looking for this trade short term. Okay, that trade. If this trade goes higher, similar trades, guys, like the euro dollar chart, right? Similar trade like euro dollar chart. So looking for same trade to continue to go higher, and there you're looking for it to break down and continue to go lower. Next bullish bearish wave. All right, this correction to break down. So it can slightly push higher, all right, but the direction of the market gonna be that. Okay, so slightly gonna push higher like that. Okay, so you're looking for boom, go down, breakout. And Kiwi Cat. Okay, just for your reminder that I'm still holding that trade. Yeah, the trade which I have just shown you last week. Kiwi Cat, okay? So I'm still holding that trade. That's called wave trading, yeah? So taking small profit and letting the losses run is not wave trading, okay? So if anyone is doing, if anyone from you is doing that, so just reverse that, behavior. Guys, you can make profit. You can make profit, okay? If you are trading and I mean letting your losses run and taking small profit. All right, you can make profit. All right, I'm not saying that you cannot make profit. You can make profit. All right, you letting your losses run, taking your small profit, cutting your profit too early, and waiting for the trades to come back into your break-even areas, break-even places, taking break-even trade over there, or looking for small profit from your bad trades. Bad trades will take a lot of your time. Okay, what bad trades will do, or if you're gonna hold your trades for drawdown, what those trades will do with you guys. Many traders are doing that. Okay, many traders, they are doing that. They are I mean holding their trades, bad trades, or holding a lot of huge drawdowns and hoping for the price to come. I mean, one of my member, yeah, he just told me that he turned that 10K to 100K, all right? I think he is there now. Yeah, I think he's there. Okay, he turned that, I mean, before coming to me. Yeah, he turned that 10K to 100K and then lost everything. Why? Why is that? Because he was taking small profit or keep taking profit and was holding the bad trades. And when drawdown was more than the capital, lost all. And this is very common thing, guys. This is not, I mean, this is very common thing. Okay, if you are holding drawdown like that and keep taking your small profit, one day you're gonna see that the your capital not gonna be enough to manage your drawdown. Okay, so just reverse that. So what bad trades gonna do with your accounts? The first thing is that bad trades will take a lot of your time to give you a break even trades. All right, I means that, I mean, you are waiting for the price to come at your break even. Yeah, waiting for the price like 1 month, 2 month, three months, 4 months. Yeah, so for 5 to 6 months you are not doing anything, just waiting for the price. Yeah, not opening more trades, not making more. Not taking opportunities. Means that missing a lot of good opportunities Okay, when you stopped closing your bad trades, what happens? You are missing a lot of good opportunities. All right, you are not using your risk over there on the good opportunities and waiting for the bad trades to give you a break even trades. Yeah, so means that you are wasting your time, and these days time is money. All right, time is money. Okay, so how you can avoid yourself from that scenario? Understand that you are having a bad trade. That trade is not going into your way. Get rid of from that trade. All right, get rid of from that trade and go to your next best opportunity. All right, when you're gonna go to your next best opportunity, you will save your time. Okay, when you will save your time, then you will speed up your account to grow. All right, basically your goal is to speed up your account to grow, right? Okay, so when you're gonna wait for the trades to come onto your break even, then what you are doing, you are wasting your time. Okay, so time is money. When you're gonna save yourself from bad trades, then you're gonna be able to put that risk on good trades. All right, and you can easily cover your money from there. So just reverse things. All right, and that will be a wave trading. All right, many traders, I have done that. All right, guys, when I was learning, I have done that. All right, I have wiped out a couple of my accounts at when I was learning. All right, I have done that. I was closing my profitable trades too early, yeah, and letting the bad trades run. Okay, this is not, I mean, only with you. Okay, this is very common, as I said. Yeah, it happens with almost with everyone who's learning. Okay, because people think that it's easy, just price gonna go into your way, you're gonna make bucks, you're gonna make dollars, and and when price gonna move into your break-even area, you're gonna close it. Okay, so sometimes price makes short moves, waves, aggressive waves. Yeah, there you're gonna lose your account. Okay, so what's next here? So this pair, we are still looking for this to go higher for one more up move and then short themselves. Okay, there is possibility that the Kiwi cat can go back up for one more up move. Don't follow anyone, guys. Okay, don't follow anyone who is who is telling you that I mean, put your money on risk without stop loss. All right, so that's not sensible. All right, I have experience, and I'm telling you from my experience. Okay, you're gonna lose one day. You're gonna lose if you are holding drawdowns. Okay, you can avoid yourself from one time, two time, from drawdown, three time, but you cannot avoid yourself, every time. All right, you cannot deceive this market without stop loss all the time. Okay, when market will hurt you, it will hurt you very very badly. Okay, and when it will hurt you, it will take everything from away from you. So just think that before you are trading without stop loss. Okay, so you guys are commenting. I'm just looking at your comments. Okay, so once price gonna hit that bottom, tag that bottom and that trade. Okay, so I will answer later on, guys. Let me finish this. All right, let me finish. We are about to finish. So one more up move can appear over there, guys. So Uzi Chief, similar kind of trade or similar kind of wave, the wave which I have just shown you on the other Uzi pairs. Okay, so it's breaking for upside. Okay, from bottom I was showing you this kind of pattern formation. Okay, like that. So you're looking for this top, that trade. Okay, there is possibility for that move. We are not anticipating for that. Yeah, but yeah, it can slowly push up like that. Okay, and can tag that top, but we're gonna search this trade. Short them sell. All right, if you try again, all right, so sell it again. Sell it again, it will get down, don't worry. So next time, your reward should be greater than your risk. That's it. Your reward should be greater than your risk. And on this pair, we are still looking for one more, all right, so one more drop like that. There is a very strong divergence. This pair still can get to the bottom for one more drop. How you can trade for sell on it or buy? Make sure when you are buying this pair, you are buying for short term, all right, not buying for longer term from the current price, because there is either one more drop, the way I have just shown you, or a bigger correction is just you on this pair. Okay, so short term push up is possible the way it is doing right now. Okay, so wait for this to break down. Okay, aggressive breakdown, correction, and short term sell, and then again gonna be a buyer over there. So same analysis like the other Uzi pair. Okay, so there you got the Kiwi Chief. That's all right. If you guys got stopped out on the Uzi yen, great. Okay, you have a, I mean, you understand that I mean, you are now exposing the whole account to the market. Okay, so on the next opportunity, on the next sell, you're gonna make more money. The money you have lost over there. So it's better to take off. So there we are looking for one more drop continuation. Yes, last week I have shown you the expanding triangle formation. That formation is in play. There is possibility that expanding triangle can change for one more up move. Okay, if so, then again bearish from that top. So on lower time frame, let me finish this, guys. Let me finish. So you're looking for this to continue to go lower. Okay, like that move. All right, so it was Euro Chief. You got the buy on the Euro Chief, yeah? Good. You made some money on the Euro Chief. Okay, so there is possible. Let me show you the bigger time frame. Okay, it can break out and can continue for one more up leg like that. Okay, this is currently what we are not expecting, but we'll see if we're gonna see change over there. So far, we don't see change on the Euro Chief. Okay, and once price gonna tag that top or test the previous high, look for it to go down for one more drop. Okay, so those guys who are making profit trading without stop loss, yeah, obviously they're not gonna be happy with my views. All right, so guys, all right, good luck to you, and I hope for the best for you. Okay, and there you got the dollar Turkish lira. Okay, still one more up move down, one more wave down is possible. Yeah, and yeah, this correction to be over and breakout and continue, or one more drop, new low, and then continue to go higher. Okay, so one more drop you guys can see on it. And chief yen is also making a very nice opportunity, similar like the euro yen, and you're looking for that. Okay, this correction to break down, or wedge is in making, or simply you can say that, yeah, this ABC move to, or ABCDE move to break down and continue to go lower. So pay attention at that top and a similar kind of price action or the behavior which I have just shown you on the euro yen. Okay, there. You're looking for a correction, you're looking for that. Or retest the top and then go down. And platinum, you're looking for that to go down. Okay, so drop on the on platinum gonna give you strength on the, all right, strength on the palladium. So that's what we are expecting. Yeah, so platinum to go down for one more drop, and palladium to resume the trend. Okay, so this one more drop like that. So go down to your lower time frame there and look for this to break down. Yeah, so correction is in making. Correction is in making. Yeah, this. Okay, if it goes up, hit that top or that top, flat formation. There you go. Okay, and And copper is just pushing slowly for upside, yeah, and still in a sideways market or in a daily correction. Yeah, once price tests that bottom, you are looking for it to form the next leg. You can trade within that daily correction for short term for sales, all right, within that sideways market, but look for buy from the bottom once price tag that bottom. And there you got the UK oil. Very nice chart, all right. So just for your understanding, so that you guys can understand that what to do next. Okay, there was the opportunity on the oil last time. Okay, that is the opportunity which we were looking for last time on the oil. So we got that wave. So I have shown you this chart. So similar kind of correction you're looking for on the UK oil, at least for 1 to 4 hour. Yeah, it is forming correction on lower time frame. It can push up slightly for a couple of more dollars or cents for upside like that. Okay, but this kind of correction is just you. Okay, or maybe bigger than that sharp fall. Yeah, bigger than that. So you can even sell the oil, but make sure you sell the oil after having a sharp fall, all right, not before that. If you're going to start to sell the oil before the sharp fall, you're going to get stopped out over there. Okay, so wait for the sharp fall to happen, then you are looking to sell the oil. Otherwise, these tiny corrections, you see that, these tiny corrections, and this is your trade. Okay, that's your trade. Okay, this is your trade. Okay, another correction, complete that. Once price gonna complete that, short-term trade, take off your profit. Okay, and very soon oil gonna either gonna form a very sharp move to the downside for bigger correction, or maybe oil can retest the previous low again. Currently, we are not anticipating. I mean, the retest of that bottom. Okay, we are not anticipating retest of that $50 area. Yes, we'll do that once we will see that the sharp move is going to come over there and it is going to correct. Then we will start to look for that one more drop. So what you're looking for, the chart I have just shown you, that kind of correction to form, and next leg continue to go higher. Similar analysis on this chart as well, yeah, on the US oil. Okay, it is forming a lower time frame correction. It can push up for one more up move. All right, there, see that? It can push up for one more up move like that. So soon you're going to see a bigger correction over there within that channel. So look for counter trend trade on sharp sell. Yeah, that trade is slightly early. I mean, slightly early. So make sure you trade, I mean, you sell the oil with care. Okay, and natural gas, this opportunity about to tag the bottom. Okay, that opportunity similar like that. Okay, let me show you the chart, what kind of opportunity I'm asking you to look for. Okay, we already got that profit. Okay, so there you got this trade. Okay, we were looking for that trade. We got that trade. We did not got the move all the way back to above $3. Okay, but similar trade there. Price is about to tag the bottom. And dollar rand is going down. Dollar rand needs to continue to go lower for bearish wave, at least tag the bottom, and from that bottom you're gonna have buy again. Okay, make sure when you go after the sell, all right, so I was asking you to look for reversal from that top, all right. So when you go after that sell, make sure you understand the correction properly, because the trend is longer term bullish on it, all right, and it can push back and then can do that again. Okay, from bottom you're going to look for it to continue to go higher. So you're looking for continuation this week, all right, the dollar rand to continue to go, keep going lower. When you trade on the dollar rand, make sure you trade with care, all right. It is in a strong bullish uptrend. As I said, trade with stop. If you are trading with stop on the dollar rand, great. If you are trading without stop loss on the dollar rand, at some point you're going to have a zero balance. because it can resume the trend for upside aggressively at any time. Okay, so longer term wave on that weekly chart was that. Okay, so we are within that direction. Okay, so I'm showing you one more drop over there at this area like that. Form that one more drop, new low, and then we'll see that either we're going to have one more up move or it is going to tag that bottom. So that's why I'm saying, guys, when you are seller over there on the dollar rand, make sure you trade with care. Yeah, this is the longer term trend. It can spike up aggressively at any time. And it went down, all right? It went down from the peg rate. Some of my traders, they don't like to trade on it, yeah, because of the volatility, yeah. And yes, of course, they are right. They are right, okay? They are saying true, and I'm agree with them. When you trade on those currencies which are very volatile, yeah, then liquidity can drop aggressively on those currencies. And when liquidity drop, means that price even can go beyond your stop losses, yeah, and even can wipe out your account. Okay, so you can even sell on it, but with care, all right, from 785 from pegged rate. And there you got one of my member like this pair. He trade on this pair. He love to trade on this pair. All right, so continuation. All right, so continuation for one more move down. It can keep pushing lower slowly, all the way back to that bottom. Right, all the way back to that bottom. All right, so it is in a correction, and that correction can continue to go lower all the way back to the bottom. So every time when price is testing the previous top, you're looking for it to continue the trend to the downside. Just make sure you trade with care on this pair, because you are looking for a continuation trade, and use proper risk reward ratio over there. All right, so look for, yeah, dollar is there, then dollar is there. Okay, okay, so test that top or break down aggressively. Test that top and then go down. My traders, you know what, they started to sell this pair. One of my traders were, you can see that, he was, more than 100% sure that this pair gonna drop, and he was selling this pair from these areas. Yeah, so he was selling this pair from these areas. Yeah, he was, you can say that 110% sure that this wave is going to come over there. Yeah, that way. So we are within that trend. Okay, so similar next leg you're looking for like that to continue. If correction is going to get bigger like that, slightly bigger possibility exists over there, yes, you're still looking for that to continue to go lower. So best place to go for short, these areas. Once price tag that top, yeah, watch price action on lower time frame and then go down. So I'm about to finish, guys, just bear with me for a couple of more minutes. So equity market, they are pushing higher. As you guys know, that they are about to tag the previous high, and from that high we can see some price action over there, and which means that they can get down for one more drop within the flat formation like that, or can keep pushing slowly like that. All right, okay, so this means that you can trade on them once you're going to have short-term correction on your lower time frame. Okay, watch correction on lower time frame, and once that trend gonna break down, all right, so there you're looking for that kind of behavior. Okay, if you see that's going to happen, we are having this. All right, if not, this is not happening, yeah, 1 to 4 hour time frame correction like this, okay, go higher, correction, go higher, keep pushing higher slowly, and when sudden drop gonna come, then you start to sell. I'm saying that since, okay, since price coming from from this area. Some traders, what they some people what they were doing, they were following the media. Yeah, they were following the mainstream media, and they were selling the US major averages based on that. All right, they were selling based on that, based on the rumors. All right, that we are going to have a recession, and equity is going to fall. And I was saying that wait for it to drop first. Wait for it to drop first. When it will drop, then you're gonna have the downtrend. Okay, so you don't have breakout of that trend. So why you are selling? Yeah, it is in a bullish trend. So I'm saying again the same words. Wait for it to drop aggressively to the downside. Once it will drop aggressively, then start to sell. Don't sell from the US major averages from that top. All right. Those specifically who trade on the US major averages, short term buy opportunities are there. Same on the S&P 500. Okay, so it can keep pushing for upside. So when the trend will break, then start to look for sell. Aggressive breakout is needed before you start to sell the US major averages. All right, so continuation formation is forming, look for it to continue. Same on this chart. Okay, if breaks aggressively, then you are seller over there. Yeah, after breakout correction, then like this. Okay, otherwise stay away from sells. So watch this go higher. Okay, same like the previous one, go higher, continue to go higher. And same analysis is gonna be on the German 30. Okay, same analysis on the Dow Jones, like the other US major averages. They are about to tag the top. You're looking for some price action over there. If they are going to get aggressively down, then you start to sell. Otherwise, short them buy on your lower time frame. German 30, same like the UK 100 index. Correction is in making, and let that correction to get finished or get bigger, and you're looking for the next leg. Okay, previous weeks I was showing you that pattern to complete. Okay, this week, this correction to complete and continue to go higher. All right, so Dan, just keep things simple. All right, just keep things simple. All right, what is the simple? The simple thing is that US major averages, they are at the top. Okay, they are at the top. So those who are holding their positions from the bottom, or when it went down from 30, when it went down more than 20%, I think, yeah, I think more than 13-14%. Those who are holding their positions from those areas, now they're gonna start to think about their profit. All right, from the previous high or new highs. Okay, new buyers, they're not gonna jump into the market at previous highs, all right, or at the new highs. Okay, without solid reason, they're not gonna get into the market there. All right, they will wait for some solid reason. Okay, so what you can expect from that top, you can expect some price action over there. All right, means that when people are going to start to take their profit off, you're going to see some price action over there. If that price action is going to be very, very strong, very aggressive for the downside, there you go. They're going to be panic. People are going to start to take profit quickly, and positions going to start to turn over there. Sellers going to start to jump into the market, and you're going to have drop over there. Okay, if this behavior is not going to appear over there at that top, wait for that. All right, wait for that. When people are going to start to take off their profit from the previous high or new high, you're going to start to see price action over there. All right, we know, we see. All right, and we can understand that what kind of behavior going to be over there. Yeah, we're going to understand. Soon going to start to understand that the equity market is going to drop. So if you don't understand that, try to understand that, try to learn that, or keep things simple. Simple means that the things which are making sense for you, rely on that rather than rumors. So almost similar analysis on the US Russell 3000. It is also about to hit the top, about to tag the top. So we are looking for this to keep pushing slowly for upside, and still below from the previous high, all right, and continue for more upside. And Nike just broke out for the next wave. That's why you guys have seen strength, I mean, against strength on major currencies against the yen, all right? Or you can say that yen, you know, went lower. Okay, so this is less likely, specifically those who are holding their short on the yen pairs. Okay, this is very less likely. Okay, if this is going to continue to go higher, at least you're going to see another correction like that. Okay, similar like that correction. Then price going to continue to go higher. Okay, this move or this correction gonna give you enough money on the yen pairs. Okay, what we are anticipating on the yen pairs, we are anticipating the Nike to go at least tag that bottom again. All right, this to break out for one more drop, at least like that. Yeah, this will create a lot of panic into the market, specifically on these yen pairs. People gonna run to the safe havens, and yen gonna get strong very aggressively. Okay, so let's move on to the Bitcoins, and then we're gonna finish. Let me show you some nice chart on the Bitcoin, because those who don't understand the structure, and specifically those who don't have patience, how market moves. Market needs time. Okay, this is the structure. This is the pattern formation. Pattern formation which we are having since very long. It went up very aggressively. It went down very aggressively, a short move, you can say that, and it is running within this pattern. All right, this pattern is a reversal. This pattern is a trend reversal pattern formation. All right, which in longer run gonna go into that direction. When I say longer run, means that there is no specific time, all right, or no specific period over there. Price can stay at this area more than 2 years, 3 years. Yeah, I mean, at sideways like that. All right, like that, and then again. Thank you, Catalan. So, Catalan, thank you. So the only direction gonna be up on the Bitcoin. Okay, so what we were when it broke out, yeah, people start to cry out when it broke out like that. Okay, when it broke out to the downside. Okay, it broke out, went lower, formed new low, and what it did after that, it reversed after that. Okay, it formed new bottom over there close to the 3000 and started to get back within the wedge. Okay, and last time, I mean, when it was at the bottom, okay, when I have posted that chart, right, an impulse appeared over there, and it went up. I have shown that chart in last weekly market outlook as well. So now let's get back to this chart. There is possibility that this pair or the Bitcoin still can do this behavior again. Okay, this move, it can tag that bottom again. All right, it can test that bottom again. So my suggestion to those who are buying the Bitcoin to you is that if you're buying the Bitcoin at the current price, then buy with care. All right, then buy with care. How you can buy? You can buy it. I mean, if you are looking to buy the Bitcoin for longer term, let's suppose like 4 or 5 years. Okay, this is not a good place to go for long on the Bitcoin for next couple of years. Yeah, let it hit the bottom again. Let it tag the 3000 again. Then buy. I mean, if you are looking for big money, I mean, looking for buy for big money, all right? If you are trading for short term, yeah, you can get down into your lower time frame, like 15 to 30 minute or 1 hour time frame. You can trade over there for small money, like $100 move or $200 or $300 move. But if you are looking for something like $15,000 move, or even maybe more than that, like $25,000 move on the Bitcoin, then you should be a buyer over there on the Bitcoin with proper analysis, with proper risk reward ratio, at a good area, at a good price where you can stay into the market for longer term without any fear. But if you're gonna buy the Bitcoin, like let's suppose $6,000, Yeah, let's suppose $7,000 for next 3 to 5 years. Right? That's not a good price. Okay, so that's not a good strategy, right? A good way to trade on the Bitcoin. I'm going to show you how you can on lower time frame, how you can, I mean, if it is not going to test the 3,000 for longer term buy, yeah, how, what you should, I mean, do, what you should wait for. Okay, at least similar kind of pattern formation, which I have just shown you previously over there, yeah, at least ABC move over there, at least come close to the 4,000 or lower than that. From this kind of pattern, just simply test this area, tag that bottom. Okay, this area, and then you can consider the next bullish wave like that for more upside. Okay, then you can consider this next wave for upside over there. Buy on the the Bitcoin. All right. So let me do some work for you guys. What I'm, you know, talking about. All right. So like that. So you can anticipate another move like that. Okay. So yeah, you can trade for short term for this move for more downside on the Bitcoin, the on stronger breakdown. So okay, let let it stop. All right. Let it do like that. Let it keep pushing slowly to the downside. Okay, once price gonna complete that correction, there you're gonna watch for the similar kind of breakout like that. Okay, at least Bitcoin to tag that area, and there you're gonna look for from close to the $4,000 to do the aggressive move for upside and continue to go higher. Okay, what is the current analysis on the Bitcoin? The current analysis is very simple. I was showing to my group members breakout of that, aggressive breakout of this corrective up move, that corrective up move broke out, and it is correcting. Okay, so you're looking for another strong breakdown for one more short-term move to the downside for up to the trend line or up to the where the correction gonna complete. All right, so correction gonna complete at least. Okay, so you're looking for short-term one more drop on the Bitcoin. All right, like that, at least up to this area. Okay, at least up to this area, or like that up to that. And once price going to complete finish this, then you're looking for it to boom. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, you see that? This is what I'm talking about. At least like that kind of move. Okay, just copy this and paste this at this area. Okay, at least like that. Okay, this move will give you a good buy opportunity. So you can sell short-term Bitcoin or the downside, and very much similar analysis on the other cryptocurrencies against the dollar. Ethereum, very much similar. Okay, we are longer term bullish, and one more drop is possible on them. Okay, one more drop like that. Okay, almost all my charts going to be similar like that, because they are at the bottom. They're testing the bottom. They are flat at the bottom, and you only can expect them to go higher. They are cheap, yeah. They are flat. XRM, XMR, same. So one more drop on, or at least similar kind of correction. The correction I have just shown you on the Bitcoin dollar. All right. So one more drop. OITA at the bottom. OITA is good for longer term buy. Okay. OITA is good. Ripple is good, and these kind of coins gonna give you a good profit. Okay. You see that flat, but cannot go beyond the zero. Flat but cannot go beyond the zero. I haven't updated that chart. So what they're doing on lower time frame, they are sideways, slow move. Okay, at there. So you only can expect them to rise aggressively for upside. Okay, this possibility exists over there. Okay, they can tag that bottom, all right, like this. Okay, and then you're looking for, boom. Just keep an eye on, this is the price you should pay attention for longer term buy on the OITA and on the Ripple if you are a longer term holder. Okay, guys, I think enough for today, and same analysis on the Ripple as well. So which chart you are saying? Some of you are saying that which chart, Julian? Okay, so one more drop and then it to take off. Which chart? May I know the chart? Chart name, please. So we're gonna finish here. If you don't have question or don't have any chart, then let's finish it. It seems to me that okay, all right. Dollar Turkish lira. So I have just shown you the dollar Turkish lira chart. Just shown you the dollar Turkish lira chart. Okay, if you are having your, I mean, your funds saved in the Turkish lira currency, then try to move on to the dollar. All right. So last time, one of my friend was asking me that I'm having, funds saved in this currency. I mean, he was having funds in saved in his account in Turkish lira, and there you got that chart. Yeah, and he was asking me somewhere there at this area. And at that time, I said to him that move on to the dollar, right? If it is possible for you, somewhere there within these areas. Yeah, somewhere there within these areas. And I said to him that move on to the dollar if possible for you. Yeah, and that just look at that where it went after that. Yeah, boom. So still one more up move. Okay, so one more up move is just due on this pair. It started to do funny behavior again, funny price behavior again. Funny means that started to take off for one more up leg. All right, so yes, one more drop. Okay, one more drop is possible. I mean, it can tag that bottom again, one more drop, and if so, then you're looking for just to continue to go higher. All right, just resume the trend, and when you are buying, make sure you buy with stop loss. All right, okay, buy with stop loss or with proper risk reward ratio, because you are buying at the very much high price, very much top at the top, and if bigger correction is going to appear over there, you are off, you are out from the market. All right, like that. All right, guys, so enough for this week. Hope you guys enjoy that weekly market outlook, and I hope you have learned a lot of things. All right, so we'll see you back again in another week, and next week. Yeah, until then, have a nice week, profitable week, and enjoy your weekend. And if you like this stuff, if you understand that, if it is making, I mean, if it is helping you, just just hit the like button. Yeah, just hit the like button. All right, and thank you very much for your support in advance. All right, so thank you guys, thank you very much everyone. We'll see you back in another weekly market outlook. Until then, bye bye.